On April 1st, 2024, an Arkansas state trooper attempted to stop a driver for following too close to a semi-truck. But instead of pulling over, the driver accelerated, reaching speeds of more than 116 miles per hour. This is how it went down.
Suspect is in custody.
Following too close behind the 18-wheeler. Still following too close behind the 18-wheeler, probably within a car length and a half. On the bumper of the 18-wheeler. Still within a car length of the 18-wheeler. Yeah, Temple. I'm just trying to get around this curve. D2946 10.4. White Ford Fusion 265 exit eastbound.
City standby.
1037. 10 tag. You're about to turn into a gravel road.
I believe so. That's not what it does. If you're on base so low, it's going to turn to gravel pretty quick.
Temple.
5556, like that, not go north. 97, headed towards Plug Lake Road.
I just lost the tail light to turn to gravel. I'm slowing down. Yeah, wreck out. Roll over, give me a 1016.
With it.
Show me your hands! Get on the ground! Show me your hands!
Are you okay?
Crawl out!
Are you okay?
Hey, go get your long gun. Go, I got this. Crawl out!
Hands up!
Crawl out to me! Come here! Crawl to me! Crawl to me!
Stomach! Roll in your stomach, you! Holly, is she awake? Are you awake, baby? Shut up! Keep your hands out there! Keep your hands out there! Hey! I'm a fucking wreck, man. I'll take my arm out.
All right, get down. Crawl out to me. Crawl out to me.
Get your hand over here.
All right. Crawl out to me. How many more people are in the vehicle?
Two more.
Two more?
Broken, I think. Well, that's your question. Wiping the phone up. There's two more?
There's two more people in the vehicle?
Yes, sir.
Where's she at?
One in the front seat, one in the passenger. They still,
I don't see the other passenger. Crawl out to me. Crawl out to me. You got her.
Action, maybe?
Maybe.
Yeah, we're good check.
All right, got it. B29, we have one ejected from the vehicle.
We're getting an ambulance, come check you out. Come on.
3 total, 1 ejected. 10, 15.
Move your
Turn
head.
around.
Oh my God.
Turn around.
We're getting an
Put your
ambulance.
hands behind your back.
I have no idea. Oh my God. I have no
Give me your hands.
I wasn't driving. I don't know why she ran. Ow.
All right,
Ow. Ow.
get up. Stand up.
Ow. Oh, ow, ow, ow. Ow. Ow.
We have a wrecker coming, or ambulance coming. You have anything on you?
No. No, sir. Ow. Ow. I have no idea why she took off. I have no idea.
What's your name?
Allison Martin. It's my car. I don't know why she took off.
Sit down.
She
Sit down.
Is she okay?
Sit down.
Oh my God.
Sit down.
I'm sorry. I'm just.
Ma'am, can you hear me? Can you hear me?
Still got a pulse on.
Yeah, it's real shallow. Come on, I need you to do something.
The radio is extremely 10-1, 10-9.
I've got a very shallow pulse on this female, but she's not responding to anything. Still slowly breathing.
10-4, 10-16 is an allowance.
D29, 46. Just note in the pad, I did attempt a TVI when we were on pavement, and it was not effective. Hey, stay with me. You there? Still breathing. Talk to the passenger. Talk to one in my car. Just make sure they're good.
Hey, so what's the deal? Why are you running?
I have no idea why she ran. I think it's
So what?
because she doesn't have a license and she's
That-
out of jail.
That's it?
And I was telling her to pull over. And I was telling her to pull over. I don't know why she ran. Oh, my car was wrecked. And she was like over there. This is
Your car?
yeah, it's my car.
What's your date of birth real quick?
10/11/95.
When he gets done, every 10, 19.
I was telling her to pull over. I don't know why she took off.
Okay.
I was like, I was
Is there anything illegal in the car?
not that I know of. No, we were on the way back to Nashville.
Y'all live in Nashville?
That's where they live. I've been living in Texas. I've been living in Texas, and I was.
Okay. Who's this gentleman?
That's her boyfriend.
What's his name?
I don't know his last name. It's Austin's his first name.
And you don't know of anything illegal being in the car? Any other reason why we would escalate no driver's license to this?
She just got out of jail, and like,
What was she in jail for?
I think it's been like several stuff. I don't know if it's warrants. I have no idea. I think it's some warrant stuff. I don't.
You don't know?
I don't really know. I think one of them might have warrants. I don't. But like, I was driving at the switch drivers, and like, I never would have taken it off. I can't believe like I've never like made a crash with this. Is she okay? She's not okay, is she?
No.
She's dead. Oh my God. Why did she do that?
I'm not sure. Hey, Mr. Austin, can you hear me? Okay, so why did we escalate this to this situation? What happened? So is there anything illegal in the car that would have escalated this to turn it into this situation?
No, sir. I smoke weed, but I just not even any weed in there left. I brought maybe 2 grams. We've been on the road for 6-7 hours. Stopped to fill up twice. I smoked my 2 joints. So there's nothing left in there. But yeah, man, we're not drunk or nothing. I think maybe one of them has a suspended license. Other than that, man, there's still screaming at her, man. They're screaming at her.
Here, watch your foot.
What area is at right now?
I'm not sure if y'all want to keep winging route or not, or wait for the ground 1016 crew, but there's no pulse and no breath from her anymore.
10-4, I'll notify EMS.
Okay, you still have ground EMS 1019, correct?
10-4.
And everything standing, let them make that call.
You mid-fire?
Yeah.
Are you EMT?
Yeah.
Okay. If you want to check her first, just confirm she had a shallow pulse
Okay.
at first, and then groaning. But there's There's nothing. If you want to check that on your own accord, make that call. 41 City, we have Jeanette Fire EMT on.
10-4.
Allison Martin was transported to Regional 1 Medical Center by the West Memphis Fire Department for treatment of her injuries. Austin Cockrell initially declined medical treatment at the scene, but was later transported to Baptist Crittenden Hospital upon his request. Sadly, the driver, Courtney Ridgway, did not survive the crash. After responding to the scene, the Crittenden County coroner pronounced Ridgway deceased at 10:42 p.m. This incident serves as a sobering reminder of how quickly a routine traffic stop can end in disaster when a driver chooses to flee law enforcement. If you enjoyed this video and would like more content, give us a like, feel free to comment, and subscribe for justice.